Let's review for today. So we're going to start off with the Euro USD. Pretty interesting scenario that's transpired here. We have got the wedge breakout. Okay, that has transpired. We are forming a bit of a triangle here. So if we just pop down to the hour, you'll see we broke through this level here of 112593. Okay, you can see that was the noise bar that we had yesterday. We broke through. Pretty much haven't come back to test it, but it's been one-way traffic all the way up to the top here, and I just want to get that onto the right level, which is that fractional bar there. That is 113478. At the moment, we are forming a bit of a triangle. So what am I talking about? There is your triangle there. Okay, that's our triangle. But more importantly, there is something else at play here, and this is typical of the Asian session. I mean, this is the textbook stuff about the Asian session, is you expect it to range. Okay, so pretty much up until until Europe opens, you normally expect Asia to range, and that's exactly what's transpiring here. We are ranging. We've got a bit of a gap to close at the bottom of the range as well, but that is a range. So if you've heard the term London breakout strategy, this is a good setup to be looking for London breakout strategies. So break to the downside will break the heights, target will be the height of the range. The downside, break to the upside will be pretty much height of the range again. And if you look carefully, you'll see that pretty much equates to the previous high, and to the downside, more than likely a retest of that level there, these two fractals here. Okay, for me, that is sort of a scalp opportunity, I think, at the moment. This trend is up. It has been tested, so it's broken through, come back, tested, and sort of formed a bit of a wedge here, going sideways right now, but I am looking for opportunities to be long. So the areas that I'm looking at are pretty much, if we break the downside out of this range, I'll be looking for long at 112938. If we break the upside, I'll be looking for long on the retest at the top of the range here at 113259. Okay, trend is up, looking for longs, and I'm looking to buy off support, not resistance. So wherever I see a fractal, the inside fractal, there's fractal. In other words, where price has gone past it, there, and then the next one is round here, and then all the way back down here. But that is what I'm looking for. In other words, a break above retest, that makes that an inside fractal. I'm looking to buy off it. Okay, Aussie dollar, Japanese yen, next pair. Similar scenario. We have had a breakout. So that's under 15 minutes. So let's just get to this. A couple of scenarios here. First one is not quite a breakout of that structure yet, but this level here, 73838, is what we need to hold. At the moment, it's holding on the 8 hour. If we come down to the 1 hour, you'll see we have a bit of a gap down here, so it wouldn't surprise me to see us retest this area. But you can see the congestion on this diagonal trend line. This is a breakout as far as I'm concerned, and we are testing it with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times that we're testing it. And look at the amount of times we tested it sort of as resistance. Okay, so I am again looking at the Asian session and seeing confusion. The sellers are selling off this trend line. Buyers are coming off the bottom here. Okay, ranging at the moment. Again, another candidate for London breakout strategy. Break to the upside will be a bit more bullish than just a London breakout target, but a break to the downside does give us, just trying to find where it'll be deeper than that, be somewhere in that area there, and you can see there's a lot of support in this area. Okay, so this pair I'm more than likely looking for the break the upside. If we break the downside, I'm not really interested in it, so I'm looking for the break the upside to be long. So I'm not looking to get long off any of this chaos here because it doesn't look promising. But if I just use another, if you look at all those tails there, just using another box just to confuse everybody. But if you look at those tails, that's more like a structure I'd like to buy off. So I want to break past it, come back into it, and then start climbing again. That's the area that I want to buy. Pound USD. So yesterday I said to you, watch out for what happens in this zone here. You can see we've come up, tested it a second time, and it now looks like we're going to be bouncing down. So what am I looking for? Let's just get to the 8 hour, just double check there's nothing else on the 8 hour we need to pay attention to. There is a little level there, but more importantly, there is that level there, okay, which is quite far away. So what I'm looking for right now is structure. Okay, if we break above this area and come back and retest it, I'll be looking for longs. If we hold up here at 125012, I'd also be looking for longs. Not really interested in looking further down. Okay, so those are the two areas I'm looking at right here, where we are pretty much, 125012, or alternatively break and retest of 125329. But that is also setting up for longs. And again, probably a candidate for London breakout as well. Last pair that I want to look at is Swiss franc, Japanese yen. Looking at the 8 hour, this is another flag break and retest. There's our flag break, and look at this retest on the 8 hour. That is beautiful. Forming higher lows here. Come back, tested it solidly. Look at the hour, and you can see a bit of indecision, bit of bob wire at the moment. But again, there is a gap to the downside. So again, London breakout strategy. So remember, the theory here is that Asia session ranges. This is clearly a range at the moment. Break the upside gives us more upside. Break the downside gives us the heights of the range, the downside. So this is a breakout and retest. It does look like we have a trend reversal in the works on the hour. I need a little bit more confirmation for this. So basically, I'm looking for a breakout and retest to the upside. Not looking to be long down here. I'm looking to be long on a retest of 112892. Those are the four currency pairs we're looking at. And last one I want to touch base on is gold. Highlighted this in the weekly video, and our first target is very close. I've taken the levels out. Weekly. Okay, so the first target is pretty much in this area here, and then second target is the all-time high up there. So the first target is very close. That is 1787. Second target is going to be 1800. Well, that's 1900. But 1800 is also a level that we need to be paying attention to. And I think it is around there. Yep, there it is there. Okay. So we're looking at 1787, and then we're looking at 1800, and then lastly 1900. But I think the key thing here is you've got we see it on the 4 hour rather. We've got this massive inverse head and shoulders. Here's your shoulder, here's your head, and here's your shoulder. So that is another scenario at play, and that takes us all the way up to beyond 1900, 1920. Okay. So yeah, so those are targets for gold at the moment. I wouldn't jump in right here. I'd wait for the pullbacks now to get in, but I think this thing is on the move. So the first pullback opportunity that you have is going to be pretty much in this zone here around 1759. So where these tails are. Okay. Anyway, guys, that's it for me today on Forex. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.